Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, still Friday, January the 22nd, 2021. The second Sudoku I will solve 2 out of 4. Yes, I will only do 4 out of 8. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 2206. Alright, 2206, and I have already counted the printed digits. Total of 25 again. So, is this really a 4 stars or a 3 stars? I do not know. Let's see. So, let's get started. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for a 5 should be there. Then in this row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. With a 2 and a 8 in this big square. So no 2 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8, so you can follow it easier. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? Those numbers are the 7 and the 5 are missing. 7 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes because I'm expecting a lot of pairs. Yes. Alright. Yeah. How about okay, 1 1 3 3 3. Yes, 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. These 2 missing numbers are reserved for the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Okay. Okay. Let me think. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next? So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers here are the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Look, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those numbers. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number here in this big square is the number 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be 2 anymore. This should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 9s. We need a 9 here. Now we have a 9 there. So this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this can't be 7 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 5. Alright. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Then 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. All right. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 2. All right. One number left in this column for the number 6 is missing. 6 is missing here. One number left in the last column. 5 is missing here. 5 is missing, so 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 4. How about those 2 boxes in this big square? Also 8 and 4, 8 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 4. Then 2 numbers left in the first row. The 4 and the 6 are missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing here. Third row, 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 8 and 4, 8 and 4. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku with 15 minutes. 12 minutes for this Sudoku with 4 stars. Is it a really 4 stars? I don't think so. Whether I 3 stars then a 4 stars. So publisher, it's not a 4 stars. Anyway, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.